this. What the fuck? She's wearing no shoes.
Thursday, we have talked a lot about the awesomeness of this band coming here for the first. Well, I don't know if it's the first time. Was it the first time?
She didn't know. That's the corridor.
It was the first time I saw them at the CSR with the two shows. So definitely top of the
Car
list.
door.
Like it's the
Locked.
28th, and we're talking about best shows, best music, best movies. Were there any really solid movies that are at the top of your list? I think that I know it's late, but it's.
I know you're trying to bring the hose in, woman. One thing, can't bring the hose in. Drop the hose. Okay. 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 You want me to open it now? Here. It's open. What the? You can't bring the hose in.
I'm not.
What are you doing?
Washing my feet off.
Oh.
You're gonna have to drain the hose.